This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Gary Finkelstein. Golfers dream in exclusive Turtle Run neighborhood, nice renovations and large square footage. $1 million views. Faces the Jacaranda Golf Course and wide canal. Hurricane protection throughout. Be one of only 21 select residences. Beautiful kitchen, fenced yard, beautiful dark wood floors upstairs, recessed lighting, newer AC, 2, updated baths, semi-open floor plan with 24 feet beam ceiling. Ceiling fans. With one of the largest backyards in the community with fruit trees that include mangoes, lychee, peach, and many more. Canal has lots of amazing Florida wildlife. For more information, review the details below.